Well, I'm not gonna tell you something that you don't already know. It's because you're keeping yourself in the same freaking loop that you don't like. You're still hanging out with people that suck all of your energy.
I'm trapped in the elevator with someone who sucks all the air out of the room. Send help or I'll be dead within the hour.
You're still listening to people talk about things that you can't be bothered by. You're still putting yourself in the same circle that talks trash about you behind your back.
That is the ugliest effing skirt I've ever seen.
You're still choosing to consume media that is doing nothing but eating your mental energy and space. I mean, if you're still choosing to be in all of this scenario and complaining about the fact, oh my god, why am I not getting my dream job or dream body or dream life or a man or whatever, then I mean, it's all you, honey. And it's not even you in the past. Stop blaming yourself for the things that you already did. You did that.
Maddie wasn't doing well.
You moved on. You're here right now. And you're still choosing to do that. You're still choosing to watch brain rot videos. You're still choosing to stay friends with toxic people.
Gina, please stop talking.
Okay.
You're still choosing to consume media that's not going to help you grow. You're still choosing to be there. So, or maybe you're actually consuming productive media in the name of productive procrastination and choosing to do nothing. Whatever you learn, until and unless you do it and apply it in your own life, it's never going to be useful. You're never going to make it work. So, you tell me, what are you planning on doing? One more thing I forgot to say. It's because you're lazy. You're lazy. You don't want to change. You're comfortable right now. Yeah, I have a good paying job. I can live. I have food. I have a roof over my head. I can sleep. I can watch Instagram. There was a famous quote by somebody saying, "Ki give a man entertainment, food, and leisure, he will never grow." And that's where you are right now. You're lazy. You have the basic necessity that you need in life. You have the security, you have the balance, and you don't want to grow. So accept it. Don't ever complain that, okay, I'm not doing this, I'm not living, I'm not driving a Lamborghini trips all around the world. Don't complain about it if you don't want it. But if you actually want it, then stop being lazy.
Haven't you heard? I'm the crazy bitch around here.
I mean, you already know that. You already are choosing to lie on your bed and watch this damn video. You're choosing to keep yourself stuck in the same information loop that you already know. You're choosing not to learn anything new. You're choosing not to talk to new people, experience new things. You're doing nothing and expecting things would change, expecting that you would grow and learn and maximize your value, maximize the value that you bring onto this earth. No. Imagine there are 5 people who are your friends, and all of them are the ones who are telling you it's okay, you're doing good, you have this, you have that, you're happy. And you're with another group of friends who keep on telling you, oh my god, this is nothing, you have to work harder and harder. I'm not saying that you don't deserve to take breaks and you don't deserve to relax and have a period of enjoyment. Yes, we do that, and yes, we need to have fun because that's all life is about at the end of the day. But imagine our default state is to crave fun and have fun. Point, just do anything. Because here's the thing, you're just disappointing yourself. I mean, why will I care if you become a billionaire or a millionaire? Like, that's not gonna help me. I mean, I'll be that one person who won't even know who you are. Okay, so none of the people in this entire earth would care if you do anything in this life, alright? So do it for yourself because you're the only one who's gonna live your life. No one is gonna live it for you. It's sad. It's sad how you're choosing to waste away your life. It's sad. I mean, there are times when you're genuinely stuck, okay? There are times when you genuinely cannot pull yourself out of the situation that you're in. But the fact that you have access to internet and you're watching this video, it means that at least, if not physically, virtually you can align yourself. Virtually you could try out so many things. There are so many things out there on the earth that you could learn from and do it. You don't even have to just keep learning and watching videos. You could even apply it if you have access to internet. And you're choosing not to do that. I mean, here's the thing. There are a variety of YouTubers out there, okay? A variety. There are people who would tell you to fix the self and heal the trauma, which you should. There are people who will talk to you, who will support you, who will tell you that you're doing good, which you are. You are doing good. The fact that you're waking up and doing everything, it is good. It is amazing, okay? Imagine if I don't know who you are who are watching my video, okay? I just can imagine myself, me who is watching the video, and something that I would need to hear is this. I already know what are the 7 effective habits of successful people. I already know the morning routine of billionaires. I already know that I should be journaling, and I know I should be doing shadow work. I already know manifestation will not work until and unless I do. I know all of this. And if you're here watching like this video, You probably know all of this too, but you're still here. Why are you here? Why do you value yourself this much? Like, is this your value that you would not work on yourself?
Thank you, Jesus. No, thank you, Blair.